Okay, well, today is Sunday, January 12th, 2025, and today is the 8th day since we first got our significant January snow, and we didn't get any snow today, and today everything is melting, and I brought you out here just to see if you can hear it because it sounds so crazy. It's around 4:30 in the afternoon, and everything is melting. It's like the trees are raining. It's just crazy. There's so much ice on the trees, and it's all just falling down. And they're all the trees are just loud and obnoxious. And also Elvis the duck is kind of talking to me right now. Hi, Elvis. Anyway, I just came out here to show you how everything is melting. It's so different from what anything we've ever experienced. And by we, I just mean me, I guess, and my household, and all of my California friends and family. It's so different out here. So this experience is crazy too. Let me show you this one tree that's over here. You zoom in. It's in the shadow, so I think it's going to take longer. Look at how it's bent all the way down. Do you see that? Isn't that so weird? And I think it's the top part, I'm guessing, is probably frozen to the ground. So once it thaws out, that's just going to fling right back up. Isn't that so weird? It's very neat, but it's very strange. I was joking with the boys earlier. I'm like, don't go out without helmets. Actually, I don't want them to go out at all. I really do think it's not safe. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I just don't think it's safe because we have so many trees that you can't like not walk under a tree. You end up walking under a tree. And every time I hear something, I'm like, oh, what's that? Is there an animal over there? Well, no, it's not an animal. It's just ice falling off the trees. It's so crazy. And it's been, the sun has been shining. The skies have been clear since, last night. So as soon as the sun came up this morning, everything started to melt. And it's just been melting all day long. Did you see that? That was so crazy. And it's just been doing that all day, all day, all day. It's neat. It's slightly dangerous. It's very cool. And it's a different experience. All right, well. Looks like Elvis the duck needs a little bit of attention. Seems to be happily coming over to me. So we'll see y'all next time.